Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. But in the tradition, at least the way that I see it, it is always morning. The sun is always rising in our heart, rising in our consciousness. So welcome to the Heart and Mind Festival. My name is Manuel Rufino. Some people call me Maestro, but that is not something that I call myself. That is just the title of the tradition, which I don't really, it was given to me, and I use it to honor the tradition that was given to me. So this festival, which is already being on the 11 years running, it have been thanks to the benefit, thanks to the support, the team of people that have been putting this festival together for many years, like AJ Block, um, you know, Shango Sholak, Mark Canali, Laura Krasner, Nicole Casanova, Aliona Meglin, my companions and devoted wife, Renata.
Love you.
So thank you.
Thank you.
And to the great inspiration of the teachers that have passed this lineage to me, Maestro José Manuel Estrada Vázquez, Maestro Dr. Serge Renaud de la Ferrière, and my teacher, Maestro Domingo Diaz Porta. So in the name of the initiative tradition, in the name of all humanity, we welcome all the guests. So this festival is being put together with the intention to bring all the traditions together, to work, to talk, to expose, to say the many good things that we can come together to share and to support each other. This festival is not political oriented or religious oriented or in particular for one tradition. Is to bring humanity into one setting to share. We would like to thank Arbor Looking Horse and his wife, Paula. And I would like to encourage you to participate on a festival that they do that's called One Prayer. This is from the Lakota tradition. Also, welcome to the Mamos from South America. They are going through very hard time, hard period right now, but they are going to join us. They are going to explain themselves what is happening. Thank you for the Central American, the Mayan tradition, Tata Pedro Cruz and his daughter, Nana Marina Cruz, for the people of the jungle, the Hunikuin, Yawanawa, and all the people that represent the Amazon jungle, the great and beautiful traditions of the Buddhist tradition that are represented by Lama Orient, the Christian traditions, the Jewish tradition represented by Rabbi John Todd, um, you know, little by little we gather together to talk, the real United Nations of the world, because we see here to talk, to sing, to explore knowledge, to give each other information, to support each other on difficult period. So we are going to put a special prayer for the coronavirus. That is the topic of the day. Um, just to all the suffering and the panic and the collapse of the economy, many things that are happening. So we are going to put a special prayer for all the head of state because they need at this moment more than any moment in our lifetime a good prayer so that they can lead us in a good direction. So to all the leaders of the world, politically speaking, we are sending you our prayer so that in your quiet time you can make good decisions for the benefit of all beings. The artists, um, the philosophers, scientists that you know, have come up as a very important part of this particular moment and crisis to guide us, to give us information. So we are going to pray that all will be well. We are going to light this candle to make sure that we have light, heat, that people have place to cook, that you are warm at home, that there is light in your life, that good guidance come into you, spiritually, materially speaking, and in all level, may all be well. So that light is going to be here for the next 10 hours, that we are going to be here trying to keep this fire going for the benefit of everybody. In this table, we also have bread and some seeds and corn for the benefit of everybody so that everybody have something to eat, that we receive all good nourishment, that good life come into your region, that you have food and fruit and vegetables and all the good things that you need for life. There is also water here. So making sure that all of you, doesn't matter where you are in the world, have water to drink, to bathe, for medicine, that you have water to clean yourself, that there is running water that is also clean, out of chemicals and things that may damage your environment. And the good air, that you have pure air to breathe, that we all have good things in life, in our air, that breathing become easier for everybody. We know that the coronavirus affect our breath. Maybe they are telling us something, how to keep your breath clean and pure. So based on that, then we are going to open to the four directions to give thanks to the four directions of the world. The four races and four colors are all in understanding that humanity is one single race and one single family. Doesn't matter the color. So may all be well to all of you. We have here a map of the world that we are going to put a special prayer for Pachamama. So may Pachamama and all the inhabitants of this beautiful place, this beautiful planet that we live in, be all well. Hey. And we say in our tradition, Pash in Lakech, Allah came in the name of Aum, Maiz, the sacred order of Chichen Itzá, And in the name of all the traditions of the world, we hope that you have and enjoy this festival that have been created to bring joy and happiness and togetherness. Yes, joy, happiness, and togetherness. This is the way that we are here. So we have um, beginning to open our festival first with the opening of the four directions, and then we will introduce Panchita from Chile, from the Mapuche tradition. So may the Spirit bless us all. So we are going to introduce all our guests in a peaceful way, with a peaceful mind, with all compassion and love for everybody, and with true understanding of humanity.
Panchita Calfin, native of the Francisca Ninlaf community, widow of Calfin in the commune of Tolten, Araucania region. Francisca has been a healer since she was very young. Her grandmother, who was Machi, originally a healer and spiritual leader, received her at birth and raised her to the Wenu Mapu, world above, heaven, saying sacred words to take care of her family. Childhood, she says, "My grandmother used to teach me her medicine. She used to tell me, 'You prepare it since you are so beautiful. It will be very good from you.' She would say 4x4 or 2x2, and I showed her the roots, sheets, and put them like that, 2x2, as she told me. When people came to me, they used to tell my grandmother, 'We want to receive her medicine because she is always so happy,' and I get me to make the medicine tea. I made a herbal medicine tea and made it with charcoal from laurelwood, and that's why it smelled richer. I used to put in her burnt sugar, and the fire spoke to him. 'Grandfather Fire, you who are so beautiful that you cook so beautiful. The food is so delicious. The tortilla, so rich. This medicine must be delicious so people get better.'"
Marmari, Compuche, Compulamien, Mapu.
Buenos días a todas las hermanas, los hermanos de toda la tierra. Ahora. En español.
Un abrazo grande para todos mis hermanos, mis hermanas, aquí desde Chile, desde mi pueblo, nación mapuche, y así el mundo entero, y abrazando a mis hermanas en África. Ahí un gran abrazo para todos y rezando mucho por esta coronavirus y que todo va a pasar y que estamos ahí en el fuego sagrado y en el viento, en el aire.
Fire. We're here connecting to the air.
Wenu fusha, wenu kushe, kalfu wenu mapu, meli, yake, kuruf, ne yintuku imi ncheni, molfun meu, foro meu, matra meu, piuke meu, kom, imi, kom, hachanta. Na umapu fusha, na umapu kushe. Ishukuna mula ya yini, imita folilu kule imun, kuifi, lakutun, yoyotun, shashatun, kom, sumutun. Lumuto ain, kumene wen, kumera kitsuam. Liftun mamuto ain, foro piuke, macha moifun, mulyo kom, wenu fusha. Imun muta, tripain, imun muta kontua lunchin. Imita rakinye imi, meante, rakinye imi, konta me, rupan tripanto. She apuka, kuyen, shukuno mulayain. Liftuto imi ta kom, piuke, foro, kom, maletulo fauna umapu fusha. Imita cuidañe tu imita que me limita wel, kiko semilla, muniagel, mukomta men mineral o volieman. Kishukuno mulayain, cha cordillera los Andes, lelfun, leufu, kuyum, lafkien, alkutumutuain fachante, elumutuain melif, ya que wenuntos ya que bastón restutue pique fuitan kuifi ya que chachay ni se que apuka abuela el mutu ahí fitameo kumene yen kumen weu pitun mleto ay kume peuma con prato ay liftutu ay me mifta sagrado que chalmeo ya que volcán ya rucapillan ya licalantai. Cuidañe to ai me mapu com me pofotam chiqueche culin gnyam reptil comta soamnein ko rukumula yain elumuto ain kume chake chipanto kishukuno mula yain kume alto tumuto ain com mapu faple no me lafken ka lafken Europa pingetu y com ni pulamien elumuto ain chake wef chake ngchamkan wef chake wenuntun chake bastón liftuto ay mitami flecha conta mi mapu karupa to ay esta westati wesa kuchan ngulale tu imi koniwe nyuke mapu wichana kum to ay mi fitachi wesa kuchan imitamle tu imi ya chachaya tu kom mapu wa chingus que ya wemi ya ganyem ya gran espíritu pinge que tu imi imitas ya ganyem ante kom ta hal que tu le tu imi umau tu que la imi pun ante kom ta nimitu nya tu imi fachante hal que tu moto ai mle tu in fitame wana le tu waria mapu meu imitame ain meu estamo anana kemen sheke apuka kura winkul meu lel fun meu lel fuko kuyem meu kon pele meleiman umautu lelaiman ta iman trepelaiman komta nei man chake ne wen wepitun chipatu ai manyum chahante chaspi chagnyum hante putoko yawi mi kawolo ye mi kes iyagel ke chan kom ta sumusumungei ninchin imita onyok putoko tulmita mi ko amuke tu intalwe mapo amuke tu intawanglen meu preparanya moto ai foro kom ni pulamien amo etu mi mo mutum yetu fini kishene un mo melela infitachi mapo mo imita mo use un mo melei la wen mawisa y man maleto y man menoko con Wichana kum to fi munta wasa kuchan liftu to ay munta me mapo mon mueli wichan mapo mo in chinta konife que somo que me recicla ni to ay in fitachi wasa kuchan na peto fachante meli wichan meli we kalfu we no mapo meli ya que curve meli ya que na mapo fucha manu ya chachai Ya mawitable Chipa patutani wen Laplang patutani Now pucha poli chachai Cuida tu nieta mi que wen que malen Cuida tu mi con mapu, mi pupunien, mi pupotum, amule kami antu inci, chalani mantu, con mapu mele tu ini distinto, sumo mele tu, ya platillo volado tiene que tu ini bonita, unen chalamien, invita gran hermano. Vestido de todos los colores en este camino del fuego sagrado, gran hermano camino arcoíris, gran hermano blanco juguetón travieso, levanta todos los bastones sagrados, limpia todas las flechas que se han ofrecido en historia, en tradición de nuestra vida. Ay, abrazo y danzo dentro de mi abuelo sagrado fuego y bebo mi vida, mi abuela agua cristalina que sube y baja y danza en todos los colores. Llamo a mi abuela, a mi hermana allá, y de aquí en los cuatro horizontes de la tierra, pido permiso, pido perdón, pido entendimiento, para que sane tus hijos y tus hijas, y la nueva generación que se levante en coro de ángeles como los pájaros sagrados dentro de gran abuelo, abuelo sol, abuela luna. Ay, abuelo, bosque sagrado, de mi propia vida, propia de nuestra vida. Gracias, abrazo a todos mis hermanos, de este lado del mar y del otro lado del mar, mi hermano europeo. Y vuelvo dentro del corazón de mi abuelo más sagrado. ¿Dónde está todo el gran misterio? Y pido permiso para subir y danzar ahí arriba en el gran volcán Villarrica, Bucapillán, Licalanzay, por estas manos sagradas que me ha mostrado muy lento y ay abuela sagrada, gracias por los cuatro horizontes de la tierra, Meli, Huichán, Mapú, Meli, Huichana junto a Meli, que papá y que Itaca Huesta escuchan, tiempo de sanar, tiempo de respirar de nuevo. Mayu.
Buenos días con todos, con todas. Es la primera vez que nos conectamos a través de una plataforma electrónica. La mamá ha hecho un rezo por todos los elementos de la tierra, por toda nuestra gente, por todos los colores en el espíritu. En especial ha hecho un rezo por la gente de África y por nuestros hermanos presentes que también están en Europa. También ha hablado del misterio que existe a través del espíritu y en el mar, rezando también por las aguas que bajan y suben desde la cordillera, desde la montaña, por los ríos y llegan al mar. También ha rezado por los abuelos y la abuela, ha rezado la sanidad y estamos muy agradecidos de que hoy día también tengamos la oportunidad de poder relacionarnos a la distancia y a través del espíritu y de los elementos, a través de la tecnología. Muchas gracias, buenos días.
Se les agradece sus rezos, su contribución.
We are grateful to you, Calfin and Panchita. We are grateful for your prayers, for your songs, that you're joining us from the Mapuche Nation in Chile.